How to send dice in Monopoly Go. Hi everyone, this is Suzanne from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, open Monopoly Go application on your phone. Okay, here we go. Now, let me tell you one thing, that there's no straightforward process through which you can send dice to your friends. However, there's one method, that is tap on the hamburger icon on the top right corner, then go to shop over here. Now, after tapping on shop, you'll come across this page where you can see various number of dices have different prices. Now, if you tap on any of the dice with the amount on it, then you have to purchase that particular dice, and you can use your friend's account in order to purchase that dice so that you can send dice to your friends. So that is one of the methods. Now, if you tap on friends on the bottom right corner right here, you can see options like contacts, Facebook, and invite. Now, if you tap on contacts and enter the phone number of the specific friends that you want to send the dice to, then that friend of yours will be getting dice. So that's the only method, and I hope this video was helpful and informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe.